Ever scanned a DuitNow QR code with your Fave app and wondered, am I still getting that sweet cashback, or is it just a regular payment? It's a question many of us have silently asked, especially with the evolving landscape of digital payments. For years, FavePay has been synonymous with instant cashback, turning everyday purchases into small wins. But then came DuitNow QR, simplifying payments across various platforms. The big question is, how do these two powerhouses interact when it comes to your hard-earned cashback? Let's rewind a little. Fave burst onto the scene as a game-changer, offering immediate cashback at countless merchants. It felt like magic: scan, pay, and boom, money back in your wallet. Then, DuitNow QR emerged, a national initiative to standardize QR payments, making it easier than ever to pay anyone, anywhere, regardless of your bank or e-wallet. The convenience factor soared. But with this increased interoperability, some of us started to wonder if the direct link between FavePay and its unique cashback mechanism was still as strong when a DuitNow QR code was involved. Here's the crucial point: when you use your Fave app to scan a DuitNow QR code, you're essentially leveraging Fave's payment gateway to complete the transaction. The DuitNow QR acts as the universal identifier for the merchant. What determines your cashback eligibility isn't solely the DuitNow QR itself, but rather whether the merchant you're paying is a Fave partner and if they have an active cashback program running through Fave. Think of it this way: DuitNow QR is the language, and Fave is one of the many fluent speakers. If the merchant understands and is set up to offer cashback through Fave, then yes, you absolutely can still earn partner cashback. The DuitNow QR facilitates the payment, but Fave's underlying system is what processes the cashback based on its agreement with that specific merchant. So, how do you ensure you're getting that cashback? First, always check if the merchant is listed as a Fave partner within the Fave app. You can usually see their current deals and cashback percentages there. Second, when you're about to make a payment, confirm that the Fave app recognizes the merchant and displays any applicable cashback offers before you finalize the transaction. If you see the cashback details pop up after scanning the DuitNow QR, you're good to go. It's also worth noting that not all DuitNow QR codes are created equal in terms of Fave cashback. Some merchants might only accept DuitNow QR as a generic payment method without being integrated into Fave's cashback ecosystem. In such cases, while your payment will go through smoothly via Fave, you won't earn any Fave partner cashback. The key is the merchant's partnership status with Fave, not just the DuitNow QR's presence. In essence, the DuitNow QR system broadens the accessibility of digital payments, and Fave has smartly integrated with it to ensure its users can still benefit from its unique value proposition. So, the next time you're about to scan a DuitNow QR with your Fave app, take that quick moment to verify the merchant's Fave partnership. That little check can make all the difference in turning a simple transaction into a rewarding one. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.